Tiny V here. Welcome to my channel. Actually, time check, it's 12:30. Early morning na. Madaling araw na, 12:30 a.m. And as you can see, I'm still wide awake and I cannot sleep. And can you hear that sound? Those are the sound of the frog. And gusto nilang umiksena. Ayan, nagsisipag lang yan sila dyan sa labas. Okay, so since I cannot sleep, I think I have to drink my special drink so it can help me sleep. So what is it? Then I'm gonna show you how to prepare my golden milk. Okay, so join me. Here are the ingredients. First is the hot water. Second is any milk of your choice. And of course, the last but not the least is the turmeric powder. First, I need to put some water. Time for me to boil the water, and I will put it in the oven. I'm gonna set it in 2 minutes. I will wait. This one is not so hot, but of course always be careful. Okay, ouch. Now it's time to add the milk. Again guys, you can use any milk of your choice, but for me I'm using powdered milk, and I usually don't add sugar. And guys, the milk I'm using is imported from the Philippines. Kaya medyo naging solid na siya. At I think meron pa nga dyang extra panlasa na langgam. Stir the milk well and make sure that everything is mixed together. And guys, it's time to add our turmeric powder. So turmeric powder is very healthy, anti-inflammatory, and can really help you sleep well through the night. And guys, the amount of turmeric powder is really depends upon you. But for the first timer, I don't suggest that you add more. I think you just add a little bit. Because if you add too much, the smell and the taste will be stronger. So just add enough to make it golden. And guys, yay, our golden milk is ready. So guys, this is my home remedy in order to have a better sleep. I usually do this especially when I'm so tired and so sleepy, but I still can't sleep. So that's all for tonight guys. I hope you like this recipe. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to click like, comment, subscribe, and of course, please don't forget to press the notification bell. So, see you next time. Bye bye. Good night.